I'm one of the head coaches of the Team 702 Robotics here at Culver City High School. This is my 15th year with the team, so I've seen them building robots from ground up. What I saw was the way the students were engaged in the different robots, and it was just interesting to watch the engagement, how they interacted with them.
Big fan of coding, so getting to code and then seeing the robot actually move was it was really rewarding.
I've observed over my years, I had 33 years as an educator, they have to be engaged, learning, at times not even realize they are learning, so that they're fully engaged in the process, that they want to learn even more.
My favorite achievement throughout the entire workshop was when we created a color detection program where if it found a color in the camera, it would constantly keep moving towards the object. So it was funny trying to scare away other people.
You want the robot to go from point A to point B and following a certain path. How are they going to do this, and how are they going to accomplish this? Picking up an object, how are they going to accomplish this, and talking through that. It wasn't one person doing it. It's a collaborative unit. And this is what we really encourage as part of robotics, because it's not a one-person thing.
When the whole code started working, we managed to make the robot do rock, paper, scissors really well. And it would say whether it lost, whether it was a tie, and whether it won. And if it lost, it would just turn off and fall over.
One of the key words that we use through our program is what's called cooperation, cooperative competition. So you want to learn how to do this, you want to win, but how can you help somebody else be successful also? This cooperation is very important. And when you see the cooperative learning going on in the groups, that's the important key that we really want to see.